Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to access the ECU in a Honda Beat PP1. The reason I keep saying PP1 is because there's actually also a Honda Beat scooter or motorcycle. So I'm going to label a lot of these videos on this car as PP1 as well. So first step is just go ahead and take out that center console. There's 4 JIS screws, which are essentially Phillips heads. There's 2 on each side, one on the top, one on the bottom. And be sure to put all of these screws in a bag because as you'll see, some of these screws are special and you actually can't buy them in the US. These snap screws that I'm taking off right here are special for the soft top cover. Our PP1 does not have the cover, but that screw right there actually stripped out on me. And so far I haven't been able to find a US based alternative. I have found some that I can import from Japan. The full set of, I believe, 13 related to the cover runs about $50 US dollars. So don't really want to have to spend that on 13 bolts, but we'll see what happens. So go ahead, take off all 4 of the top snaps and then all 4 on the center console. Once you have all 4 on the center console off, it's pretty easy and you just kind of lift it forward and up. And just like that, it comes right off. Okay, next I'm going to work on pulling the plastic off. I did eventually get all 4 snaps off the car so I could remove this plastic. Once you pull that out, just set it to the side. Next, we're going to have 4 JIS screws on this rear cubby. There's 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So just going to go ahead and take those out. So the 2 top ones are out. Now we're going to take out the 2 bottom ones. Then just pull the cubby out and set it to the side. So here's our first glimpse of the ECU. Still have a little bit to get to it. I'm going to use this pry tool to pop off these little plastic snaps. Luckily these are pretty standard. You can buy these at the auto parts store if they break. We're going to have to take off the 2 on the passenger side of this car. There is a plastic panel screw down there that you should unscrew. I didn't know about it until I already pulled it off. So we're just going to set that to the side and pretend that I did. Anyway, it's not that big a deal. You can get replacements for those too, but it didn't break. So you can pull off the top and the bottom plastic clip here. And once you do, you can just roll the carpet back and there's going to be 2 pieces of padding. One's covering the wires and one's covering the ECU. So just pull those off and now you have access to the ECU. It looks like it uses a standard Civic relay. This car's not starting for me, so I'm going to try a different relay first, and then if that doesn't work, I'm going to pull out the ECU and look more into that. So yeah, that's how you access the Honda Beat PP1 ECU. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions about this car, please let me know. And I will try to make a video on it because I am absolutely going to be learning about this car as I go. So once again, thanks for watching.